Lesson 1, page 13. We've already opened up the O1 start.psd file. Let's work with the Tools panel for a minute. Click on this double-headed arrow to make 2 columns wide. Click again to make it 1 column wide, which I prefer. At the bottom of the interface is the status bar. I'm going to change this window from document sizes to current tool. This gives us an extra indicator of which tool is active. Hover over the magnifying glass and there's a tooltip. The zoom tool. The keyboard shortcut will be Z. You can either click on that tool or type Z on your keyboard to activate the zoom tool. When you move your mouse over the image, there's a magnifying glass with a plus sign indicating that you'll be zooming in. Click to magnify the image. Click again to magnify even more. Hold down the Alt key, Option key on the Mac. Notice the plus sign turns to a minus sign. Clicking with the Alt key held down zooms out. Let's turn on Scrubby Zoom. Click and drag your mouse to zoom in or out. Click and drag to the right to zoom in. Click and drag to the left to zoom out. Let's turn off Scrubby Zoom. After zooming, it's often helpful to see your entire image again. The Fit Screen button will do that. I recommend you learn the Fit Screen shortcut, Control-0. This will let you see the whole image as large as possible.